I didn't hear a goddamn thing all night.
What about you, Kowalski?
Why are you talking to me for?
What were you doing out here last night anyway?
And what do you get?
Are you awake? Oh, Lord, something's wrong with you. Poor thing. Franco? Franco, you okay? You okay? You okay, Poppy?